The truth about NDAs that Silicon Valley doesn't want you to know. After handling high-stakes confidentiality cases, I'm exposing the real consequences of NDA violations. The criminal risk I reveal later in this video will shock you. Today we're tackling a question that could mean the difference between a slap on the wrist and serious legal trouble. Can you go to jail for breaking an NDA? This is not just about signing a piece of paper, it's about trust, legal obligations, and sometimes high-stakes business secrets. When you sign a non-disclosure agreement, you're entering a legally binding contract that protects confidential information. Whether you're an employee handling trade secrets, an entrepreneur sharing a startup idea, or a contractor dealing with sensitive client data, an NDA is designed to keep critical information under wraps. But what happens if you break that agreement? First, let's talk about confidentiality breaches. When you disclose protected information without permission, you've crossed a legal line. The consequences can range from civil penalties to, in extreme cases, criminal charges. Yes, you heard that right. Some NDA violations can land you in serious legal hot water and even in jail under some circumstances. Now let's break down the damages. If you violate an NDA, the injured party can sue you for financial losses. This could mean losing business, reputation, or even trade secrets that took years to develop. Courts consider different types of damages, from actual financial harm to lost profits and even punitive damages for particularly egregious breaches. And let's not forget injunctive relief. This is a powerful legal tool that stops a breach in its tracks. Imagine you're an executive who just shared confidential product development deals with a competitor. The company can go to court and get an injunction that legally bars you from disclosing or using that information. In some cases, courts move fast, issuing temporary restraining orders within hours of a suspected breach. So what are the enforcement options? Companies can pursue lawsuits, settlements, and even push for criminal prosecution if trade secrets are involved. The more valuable the information, the higher the stakes. If you've leaked critical intellectual property, you could be looking at allegations under the Economic Espionage Act, which carries hefty fines and, yes, potential prison time. Let's talk real-world cases. Companies like Apple, Tesla, and Google have all taken former employees to court for NDA violations. Some of these cases ended in massive settlements, while others led to injunctions that changed careers overnight. In some instances, whistleblowers have claimed NDAs were used improperly to silence wrongdoing, leading to legal battles over enforceability. So how do you protect yourself? If you're an employee, read your NDA carefully and understand its terms before signing. If you're an employer, make sure your agreement is enforceable and tailored to your industry. And if you ever find yourself in a situation where you might breach an NDA, pause and get legal advice first. One wrong move could cost you your job, your finances, and in some cases, your freedom. The bottom line, NDA violations are serious business. They can lead to massive damages, court orders, and in rare but extreme cases, jail time. Whether you're bound by an NDA or enforcing one, understanding the legal landscape is critical to protecting your interests. Thank you for tuning into this deep dive into NDA violations and enforcement. If you found this valuable, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Stay informed, stay protected, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any questions about this or other legal topics, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Until next time, stay informed and stay protected.